Ah, eléyìí mà tún gbẹ̀yìn tán, eléyìí mà tún gbẹnu tán ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi. Ah, àbẹ́ẹ̀ rí nǹkan tí mo ń rí ní ẹgbàá mi. Ṣé ẹ̀sìn náà ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí àbí ibo àbí nǹkan mi? Mi ì mọ̀ bóyá ilé ìjọsìn ni o, bóyá àwọn chọ́ọ̀chì èyí babaláwo dẹ̀ ni torí kò tiẹ̀ yé mi gan. Àwọn kan ní sí aṣọ wọn lẹ̀. So wọ́n dẹ̀ wọ́n ń preach náà ni. Ìgbà wo làwọn babaláwo náà ní chọ́ọ̀chì ní Nàìjíríà yìí torí ẹ̀sìn yẹn kò tí ì yé mi tó. Ẹni tó bá mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí ẹjọ́ ibo la tó já sí. Ẹni tó bá mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n ń ṣe ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi sọ ẹ wo.
Some persons are shocked that we are not yet destroyed. They were hoping that by this time we should be stranded. But every time they come to check, the glory increase. Every time they come to check, the influence increase. Every time they come to check, the honor increase. Deep in their heart, they are pained, but there's nothing they can do about it. That's why I said the light shines in the darkness. The darkness comprehends it not. And this is why you shouldn't distract yourself trying to fight people. Just be engaging your mysteries and be going forward. Your success is enough reply. You don't know how helpless and how many sleepless nights they have when they see you soaring with the wings of the eagle. Don't bother yourself fighting back. Just be growing. Just be growing. Let the glory be increasing. Let the honor, let the power, let the dominion be increasing. A point will come, you will be everywhere. They will advise themselves to keep quiet. Don't fight with your anger. Don't fight with your emotion. Fight with mysteries.